Hi everyone, it's Gilbert. Today is Tech Tuesday. Let's go ahead and check out what today's topics are. Today's the day. Today is the last Tech Tuesday for this school year. I just wanted to thank you all who have been tuning in to every Tech Tuesday and enjoy learning how to utilize some technology into your concurrent classrooms. It is bringing me so much joy to hear the positivity and the conversations around a particular tip that has helped you. I am so glad that these weekly bulletins and videos instill some confidence in implementing technology integration into your instruction. If you've missed any of these Tech Tuesdays, they are all on YouTube. So have a great summer, and today's topic is going to be all about how to make cute icons on Windows PC. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your icon that looks like this, those folder icons, into these colorful and super cute icons here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to go and open a PowerPoint. So here's my PowerPoint. And so in PowerPoint, you want to make sure that when you go to design and click on slide size, go to customize, this slide has to be 5 inches by 5 inches for this to work. So then now I'm ready to create one, just like this one. So then I'm going to go to a new slide. I'm just going to delete all this. And so the first step you're going to do is get a shape. So you want a circle. If you hold down on the shift button on your keyboard and then pull on the corners and just drag it, it's just going to make sure that your circle looks, like a circle and not into like an oval. And then you're basically just going to position it. The next step is the color. So if you click on your shape and then go to shape field, these are all the colors you can choose from, or if you go to more field colors, you can choose a color of your choice and then click OK. I don't want an outline, so if you go to shape outline, you just click on no outline. All right, so now I'm ready to put in some text. So if you go over here to your text box, if you notice over here, this is the folder that I want to change into an icon. So I'm going to label this one RTI. And then I'm going to change the font. And then I'm going to change the size of the text. Just going to drag that in, make it a little bit bigger. Just make sure that you don't make the text bigger than the circle. And then I'm just going to position that. And then I'm going to get a new text box, and I want this one to be files. Do the exact same thing. Find the font that you like. And then put it in the circle. There it is. The next step, what you're going to do is you're going to left click, hold down, and then drag it over this slide, just like this. Let it go. And it's just going to highlight everything that's in this slide. And then if you go to the corner, you're going to right click, group, because you're going to group everything together. Then you're going to do the exact same thing. Go to the corner, right click, save as a picture. So then I'm going to save this in my desktop as number 1. You can find it. So then let's go find it. So we go to our desktop. Here it is on this side. So then the next thing I need to do is I need to go to this website. It's just going to be an icon converter. And so in this icon converter, I'm going to choose a file. There it is, number 1 on my desktop. So then I'm going to make sure that I click all of these and then click convert. So when you convert it, it's going to convert it into an icon that is readable for your computer. It's called a fave icon. So then now I'm ready to go to my folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click, go to properties, customize, icon. I could choose any of these icons, but I want the one that I just created. So I'm going to go to browse, and then it's right here, my fave icon. Click open. Then I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, my folder is right here. It's going to change once I click apply and then click OK. So then now my file is not this little file icon. Now it's a colorful icon that says RTI files. So this is how you could change your icons into colorful icons that are not just the traditional ones that are on our computer. I am also going to give you a bit.ly to get all of these icons so you can start doing the exact same thing. Since these are already created, all you have to do is just download the picture and then go to that website, the icon converter, and then just do the exact same thing, convert it into this icon and then do the steps of going to right click and then going to customize and all of those things. So I hope this is something that you're able to use. Have fun. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. Have a great summer and we'll see you next year.